Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ti ayélujára ti òní. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe ti mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀kọ́ orí ayélujára ni a ó máa kọ́, a sì ń gbádùn ẹ̀kọ́ náà. Ẹ̀kọ́ tèmi àrà ọ̀tọ̀ ni, orúkọ tèmi kò yí padà. Oyèwùsì Abímbọ́lá ni èmi ń jẹ́. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ tòní kò ju àkórí tó bù àyà tó yáyì lọ, àwọn iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Irú iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé wo ni à ń ṣe ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? We are looking at the traditional occupations in Yorùbá land. Àwọn iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni àwọn iṣẹ́ tí àwọn baba ńlá wa àti àwọn ìyá ńlá wa tí wọ́n ṣe ní ayé àtijọ́. These are the traditional occupations that our forefathers have been doing in those days. Ọ̀làjú ìwé tó dé ló fẹ́ pa púpọ̀ nínú àwọn iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé yìí run, ṣùgbọ́n a lè rí díẹ̀ nínú wọn títí di òní. It is civilization that is making these occupations going extinct, but we can see some of these traditional occupations today. So we'll look at these traditional occupations one after the other. A ní àwọn iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé lóríṣiríṣi bíi iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀, that is farming, is one of the major traditional occupations that we have, and we still have it till today. A ní iṣẹ́ awo, that is Babalawo, the divinity, diviner. This is in charge of different things that we do in our society. Although they've been replaced by the pastors, the alfas, but we can still see them today. We still see them, we still have them. Bákan náà ni a ní àwọn oníṣègùn. These are the herbalists, the oníṣègùn and the herbalists. They take care of the sick people. These have been replaced by the doctors, the medical doctors. No one wants to go to the herbalist, although some people still go where they get agbo. Bákan náà ni a ní iṣẹ́ onílù, ìlù lílù. These people are professional drummers. You see them, they drum for occasions. Irrespective of the occasion, you can see them in the society drumming for occasions. Àwọn onílù. Some lineage in those days, they are peculiar for this drumming. Bákan náà a ní iṣẹ́ apẹja. This is fishing. We still have fishing. It's very much around these days. In fact, fishing is one of the lucrative business that we have now. Although it's under farming, but at least it's still available with modern tools and modern equipments that they use in farming. Bákan náà a ní iṣẹ́ àjàpá. Iṣẹ́ àjàpá jẹ́ iṣẹ́ káràkátà, ká máa lọ ká máa bọ̀. This job has to do with traveling from one community to another, from one settlement to another, to get food items. You see those people that get yams from remote villages and bring them to the urban cities. Yes, that is iṣẹ́ àjàpá. You see them, they bring foodstuffs like yam, gari, yam flour, èlùbọ́, and so on and so forth. All these are part of it. A ní iṣẹ́ ìkòkò mímọ, is the pottery. A ní iṣẹ́ olóòlà. A ní iṣẹ́ agbẹ́gilére, the sculptor. Agbẹ́gilére is the sculptor, and we can still see a sculptor around. We see them, especially these arts and crafts people. They make images out of wood. A ní aṣọ híhun. This is also a peculiar part of the traditional occupation. It's beautiful because the aṣọ-òkè or aṣọ-òfì that we wear occasionally now is one of those things that we wear in those days. Aṣọ híhun is also a peculiar part of the Yoruba traditional occupation. Bákan náà a ní ẹní híhun. Oríṣiríṣi ẹní ni ó wà, that is mat weaving. Although this job is actually gradually going, but we still have it around us now. Any ihu. So we're going to look at these occupations one after the other. The first one is iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀, we know farming itself is still very much around with the modern equipment that we have. Yes, we have the modern equipment, the tractor, the plows. It's no longer the traditional method of cutlass and hoe. You see, you can see the watering can. This watering can is no longer what we use again. Now we use modern equipment, something like irrigation and all that. So these are the things that civilization has done to the traditional occupation. Ani iṣẹ́ babaláwo, a diviner. You can see the diviner with his ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀, ikin, ọpọ́n ifá, and every other thing there. These people are really doing wonders in those days. Although we have the fake ones, but we still have the real ones that are working wonders now. They've been replaced by the pastors and the afars and other clerics like that. I also mentioned Iṣẹ́ Apẹja the other time. Iṣẹ́ Apẹja is also one of those traditional occupation. You can see them using their fishing net. Bákan náà, a ní aṣọ híhun. Aṣọ híhun is also a wonderful aspect of the traditional occupation. They weave different types of clothes, both beautiful, dull looking colors and every other thing like that, with their instruments. So a ní aṣọ híhun. Bákan náà, a ní ẹní híhun. You can see, majorly it's the grandmothers that does this job again. No children of ours would like to be a mat weaver these days. We have different types of mats. Oríṣiríṣi ẹní ló wà. Ẹní òré, ẹní àwórì, ẹní fàfà, ẹní parapara. All these mats are unique and special in their own way. Apart from any one, the ones you have mentioned and the ones we are going to mention, we still have other ones that I will still mention. But first, let me look at ìlù lílù. Ìlù lílù is also a peculiar part of the traditional occupation. We have different types of drums. Agídìgbo, gángan, bàtà, bẹ̀m̀bẹ́, ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀, oríṣiríṣi ìlù ni ó wà. Apart from drumming, a tún ní epo fífọ̀, where they make palm kernel oil. A ní ẹmu dídá, where they make palm wine. A ní ọtí pípọn, where they make the alcohol, the ogogoro that they drink. That is where we'll be stopping for today. Your evaluation is iṣẹ́ wo ni à ń pè ní iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé? What are traditional occupations? You should please kindly respond in the chats that you can see. There's the chats box. Please kindly respond there. Then you'll be having an assignment for this class, which I expect you to also respond in the chat box. So àwọn iṣẹ́ márùn-ún mìíràn tí ó yàtọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé, apart from this traditional occupation, give me 5 different occupations, that is the modern occupations, that are not traditional occupations. That is for this class. Thank you. Till we meet next time. Bye.